Hey there, Edgewood Distance Learners. Ms. Weinhagen here. I hope you all got my email last Friday that I put you all into just a distance learning PE Google Classroom. All the work that you have done for the first couple weeks, I have that, but we had some big confusion with who was supposed to do what. So I'm trying to simplify it for everyone. So I apologize profusely for all of the changes that you have had. But I just want to clear up exactly where to find things and then go through what this, at least what tomorrow looks like for you. So here is first hour's distance learning class for Edgewood. And if you click on classwork, you're going to see topics each week that have the dates, okay? If you would like to see what you're going to be doing, I will post an agenda so you can kind of see on Monday what you're doing for learning targets, and then on Tuesday, and then again on Friday, you do your 4 core classes, and then you select one from the choice board, which I will post each Friday. You'll see in the daily assignments that you need to complete on Monday the September 28th daily PE assignment, and then on Tuesday you need to complete the September 29th. So if we go back to Classroom, these aren't quite posted yet. They'll be posted in the morning, but for tomorrow, you'll click and it's going to look identical to what you have seen in the past, but it's just going to have your list of tasks that you have to complete. So you're going to be, you can scroll down and you have 4 different tasks to complete. You have a video to watch about the benefits of a warm-up and cool down. You have a 5-minute warm-up workout, and then you're done there. Then you're going to go into this slideshow, and within that slideshow there is directions on what the expectation is for class when it comes to this task. When you are done with your practicing of your Frisbee skills for 20 minutes and playing some Frisbee golf, you're going to complete 40 minutes of choice activity. If you need a resource, here's a resource page with lots of different things that you could do. And then it's really important that you complete this Google form. Okay, so that shows me that you did the assignment for the day. Once you are done with that Google form and you have clicked submit, turn in the assignment on Google Classroom. That way it won't show up as missing. So then when you come to class on Tuesday, you'll have that same task list under September 29th. When you click into it, so this would be Tuesday's assignment, you'll have a warm-up, you'll have 3 different workout videos that you can choose to do, and Mr. Peterson has joined you in those. And then you will complete another choice activity, and it's really important that you fill out that Google form. One thing at the very bottom, if you need help, okay, I'm going to be available at this Zoom link on Fridays from 8 to 9 a.m. So feel free to pop in. If you need a response before Friday, please email me. Okay, I am more than happy to set up some one-on-ones outside the school day. Or if you email me, I can usually get back to you within 24 hours if you are having questions about it. So this is the new way. You have your own Google Classroom. Hopefully this makes things lots and lots easier for everyone. Hope you all had a fantastic weekend.